We are live at Benin City setting up a BSF farm for a client that is practicing fish farming and poultry farming. For those that have fish farm, BSF Larvae will help in reducing the cost of your feed. Good our dear viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are live at Edo State, Benin City for a farm setup, a BSF Larvae farm setup. As you can see, we are working on the love net. This is the love net that we are working on. Now, this client consulted us to come and help him set up this farm because of the high cost of feed. The client is practicing fish farming. They are doing fish farming here, so they want to do approximately over 10,000 fish capacity. You understand? So, cost of feed is very expensive. So that's why we are trying our possible best to reduce the cost of feed, because BSF Larvae is one of the livestock that can reduce the cost of your feed. You know, cost of feed currently is very high. So to reduce the cost of production, we need to do something. That's why we are here to do the BSF Larvae farm setup and also palm weevil, Rhicophoria finesis. So the setup is ongoing successfully. At this point, we are constructing the love net for this BSF Larvae farm setup here in Benin City. These are the eggs where the BSF fly will lay egg and put and they will hatch. We are preparing the eggs. So the BSF flies are going to be laying the eggs inside these eggs, you can see. So we are preparing them for the flies to lay their eggs, and once the fly lays their egg, we incubate it. You understand? We incubate it and the production continues. So I encourage all those that are fish farmers, poultry farmers, to encourage to go into BSF Larvae production, because it will really help in cutting down cost of production for your farm. If you want the best out of your farm, I encourage you to go into BSF farming, black fishers larvae farming. You can see these are the ones we have done so far. Bring the camera close. Can you see? These are their eggs. And this is the love net for the BSF flies. The flies will lay egg on the eggs in this love net and are going to reproduce and lay eggs for more hatching. You can see the progress of the farm here in Benin City, the BSF farm we are setting up. We are able to construct the love net. Can you see the love net? This is the love net. You see the love net. So everything is in place now. Can you see the way we constructed everything? Now, these are the ponds. Come inside. These are the ponds. Can you see the ponds? Come inside. These are the ponds. So we are able to set up everything. The love net, this is the love net, while here is the ponds for the fattening of the BSF eggs. Like I told you earlier, they are practicing fish farming and they want to start up over 20,000 capacity of fish farm. So they can't be buying feed always. So that's why they want to supplement with this BSF, and you can see the construction that we are doing perfectly well. So currently we have prepared our incubator. Now this is our incubator that we have prepared. So we are working with some grams of BSF eggs. So we have already prepared the incubator for the hatching. So the egg will hatch in this incubator. So when the egg hatch, that is when we'll not take them to the pond. You understand? We'll not take them to the pond and give them waste. Everything that we use and breed farm BSF is waste. Waste from your kitchen, be very wasted. Any waste you can think about, market waste, anything that has to do with waste, you can give to BSF and make them to grow. And it will definitely cut your cost of production and the cost of your feed for your fish. If you're a fish farmer, poultry farmer, this is the solution, because currently in Nigeria, things are very expensive. Feed is very expensive. That's why we are trying our possible best to work on this BSF farm so that it will reduce the cost of feed production, to reduce the cost of the buying of feed. You can see that it's now ready. Our incubator is now ready. See it? This is our incubator we have set. So it's left for us to now put the eggs. So the egg hatch within 5 to 7 days. The egg will hatch into baby larvae. So 5 to 7 days, we transfer them to the bigger pond. So contact us for your farm setup and your consultancy service. This point, I'm putting the eggs now on top of the net. If you look very well, you will see a iron net. You put the eggs on top like this, then the egg will hatch and enter into this your formula, the formula that we have given prepared for them. So we all put the eggs on top. The egg will hatch. As we are even putting the some have already even hatched stuff. So you put it this way for the egg to hatch. Within 5 to 10 days time, you begin to see the larvae, small larvae them, and they come out in millions. This will come out in very many. That small thing you are seeing contains millions of larvae that are going to come out if you do it very well. So the production rate of BSF larvae is very high. That's why I encourage you to go into the farming to reduce cost of your feed and to make more profits, so that you will not be buying commercial feed. You understand? This one will help you to cut down the cost and you're going to make more profit. As you know, in livestock production, feed is what costs a lot of money. So if you can reduce the cost of your feed, you make more profit from your business. Contact us on our number 080-633-45443 to come and set up your farm for you. We are setting up this farm here in Benin City for this our client. He has a very big capacity of fish farm. So he's going to be using this BSF larvae to be feeding his fish. So contact us today and get the full knowledge of BSF larvae. This is the fish pond, as you can see. These are the fish ponds. They have fishes inside this pond. Those BSF larvae is what they're going to be using to feeding the fishes. And one advantage of using BSF larvae in fish farming is that it will help the fish to grow more faster. Unlike your normal commercial feed, the fishes will grow more faster and the production rate will be very much high. You understand? See the big capacity. They have poultry, they have fish farm. So we came here to set up the BSF for them. You can see, look at you, small ones are just ash. Once these ones grow up small, they'll be giving them this BSF and the growth rate will be very, very high. So contact us to get food knowledge on your farm setup, in BSF larvae farm setup. We are always ready to give you our best. To God be the glory. This is day 5 and the client sent us videos of the BSF larvae farm we have set up for them and that the eggs have hatched successfully. And you can see the tiny larvae them. We have thousands, millions of larvae in this place. So the production rate is very high. You can see this is just 5 days old larvae and you can see how many they are. So you need, if you're a fish farmer, poultry farmer, to cut down the cost of your feed and the cost of your production, consult us to set up this farm for you. It's a very easy farm to run, you understand? And this client is very lucky. You look at that white substance. BSF flies from the forest came to lay eggs in this place because this farm is located in where we have a bush. So BSF larvae flies came to lay egg, and you can see they came out many. That small thing that you saw that we did in the beginning of this video when we were putting the eggs, you can see the hatching. You see, they came out plenty. They hatched many. Contact us today to get the full knowledge. You understand? Just reach us with my number 080-633-45443. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.